Hi everyone, this is Srinivas. In this video, I'm going to explain about what is platform dependency. What is platform dependency and independency also I'll explain. Because in the last video, I explained clearly using C programming, we can develop only desktop applications. You cannot develop web applications. What is the reason? See, suppose if you write the C program, a simple one, just addition of two numbers, a equals to 10, b equals to 20. We are just adding and printing. Consider this is the C program. I'm just giving the name is app.c. Extension of C program is a .c consider. This is called source code, English language code, which is not understandable by the system. What a system can understand? It will understand only binary code. So someone should convert. Who will convert means compiler is a program that converts the source code into system understandable code, machine code. Suppose if I install this compiler on Windows operating system, consider when you compile this code, the compiler converts into Windows understandable code only. Nothing but app.c convert into app.exe file. Exe, the file with exe extension can run only on Windows operating system. It will run on Windows. If you try to run on Linux operating system, you will get error. If you try to run on Mac operating system, it will give error. Next, the same one, suppose we are compiling, but now this compiler installed on Mac. Same source program only. The code we are not changing. It will generate Mac understandable instructions. Mac understands app.dmz extended files. This file you can run only on Mac. If you try to run on Windows, you will get error. If you try to run on Linux, you will get error. So what is platform dependency? Platform means operating system. On which platform you compile the code. On the same platform only you can run the code. Compiler converts the source code into specific OS understandable instructions. Specific OS only. On which operating system you compile, the same operating system understandable code it will generate. Okay. Sir, suppose if it is platform dependency. Okay. If it is platform independence. So what is platform independency and what kind of applications you can develop? If you want to develop web applications, web apps, then we can go with the platform independent language. Platform independent language such as Java, .NET, Python. So many programming languages are there. Let me explain. For example, Java I am taking. Suppose if you are writing a equals to 10, b equals to 20, we are just adding and we are printing. We are printing, suppose. Okay. Now, this is app.java. Extension is a Java given. It is called source code. The code what we have written, English statements called source code. Now we are compiling. Now this is Java compiler. We are giving this to compiler. The compiler you installed on any OS, either you use Windows or we use Linux or we use Mac, no matter. Compiler generates an independent file, dot class file. It will generate dot class. The dot class file is not understandable by Windows, not understandable by Linux, not understandable by Mac. It is understandable by another thing, another program called interpreter. Called what? Interpreter. That interpreter on which platform you will run. Suppose Windows. That interpreter converts this class file into Windows understandable code to run, and it will generate the output. Suppose the same interpreter, if you run on Mac, that interpreter will do converts the code into Mac understandable instructions, and it will run, give the output. Two times conversions happen. One time is a compiler, second one is through interpreter. So what is the difference between compiler and interpreter also I'll explain clearly in the coming video. So this is simply called the difference between platform dependency and platform independency. Hope you understood. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.